Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel. And just wanted to mention for those that are using older Windows operating system and also the Office 2016, we all know that Office 2016 and Windows 7 are going to have their end of life in 2020. And so, of course, and I got asked the question a lot from enterprise users' point of view, what is this going to change? Well, if you're a big business, Microsoft did announce that there will be extended paid support for both products. So if you're on Windows 7 and the enterprise or on Office 2016, you'll be able to pay for extended updates and support up to 2023. This is pretty much what happened with Windows XP. They had, extended support, paid support. The way it works, of course, is that the paid support is more and more expensive every year in a incentive to try to push you towards a new version, of course. But at least you'll be able to have that. And of course, some people had little tweaks and hacks in the registry to get these updates. Even on the regular versions, but we now know that the extended support is coming for Windows 7 and Windows and Office 2016. For regular consumers, well, don't expect anything because Microsoft is really dead serious about having you on Windows 10. So the regular users on regular versions of Windows 7 for consumers and Office 2016 for regular consumers, forget it. You are not getting extensions. You will need to do something about it in 2020 when this expires. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.